Is this the way you celebrate 9/11? Have I said anything that was inaccurate?
Yes, Senator.
Tell me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the heated Senate confirmation of Adeel Abdullah Mangi, President Biden's controversial nominee for the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. Senator John Kennedy of Louisiana is leading the charge against Mangi, and things have gotten intense. Kennedy has labeled Mangi as one of Biden's worst picks, pointing to his alleged connections to individuals with extremist backgrounds. Kennedy is particularly concerned about Mangi's involvement with the Alliance of Families for Justice, which the senator claims has ties to radical elements. During the confirmation hearings, Kennedy grilled Mangi on these associations, questioning his judgment and suitability for the role. One of the most explosive moments in the hearing came when Senator Kennedy brought up an event held on the 20th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks. Kennedy claimed that the Center for Security, Race and Rights, where Mangi served, invited speakers with extremist ties to participate in the event. This included individuals who were convicted of providing support to terrorist organizations.
Mr. Mangi. I just want to be sure I understand your testimony, sir. And congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
From 2019 to 2023, you were a board member of the Center for Security, Race and Rights at Rutgers Law School. Is that right?
I was a member of an advisory board, Senator.
Right. Most boards advise, don't they?
Well, Senator, boards of directors govern an institution. Advisory boards do not have a governance role. They merely provide counsel.
Do you know of any boards that don't offer advice?
Well, they're different in their legal function.
Okay. Y'all held an event on the 20th anniversary of the 9/11 terrorist attack on America. You held an event on the 20th anniversary attack, 9/11 attack on America. And you invited as speakers. Your first speaker was Dr. Sami al-Arian. He was convicted of conspiring to provide material support, convicted in a court, to the Palestinian Islamic Jihad. And the Islamic Jihad participated in the October 7th massacre and mass rape. Your second speaker was Dr. Adeel Abdullah, who has organized panels for the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine, one terrorist, Leila Khaled. Ms. Khaled hijacked planes. You invited her as a speaker, or her mentor as a speaker. The third speaker you invited, Mr. Hatim Bazilian, was the co-founder of Students for Justice in Palestine and has publicly called for an intifada in the United States. Is this the way you celebrate 9/11? Have I said anything that was inaccurate?
Yes, Senator.
Tell me.
Senator, my involvement with the center at Rutgers Law School, which is a preeminent law school in the state of New Jersey,
I can tell,
is on an advisory board that, when my role was limited to providing advice on academic areas of research, primarily through a meeting held once a year. With regard to the event that you are describing, I've never heard of that event prior to today. It was never presented to the advisory board that I was part of. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about the speakers. I've never heard of any of those people.
How can you sit on an organization that would invite these terrorists, convicted terrorists, Counselor?
Senator, it is an advisory...
You didn't resign.
Senator, I never heard of that event until today. It is an advisory board where my role...
So you just had an epiphany today?
Senator, your time has expired.
May I respond?
Would you like to complete your answer?
Yes. I have never heard of this event prior today. It had nothing to do with my role on an advisory board.
But you're on the board.
Senator Klobuchar.
Advisory board.
The scrutiny is intense, and it's not just about his qualifications, it's about who he's been associated with and what that means for his potential role on the court. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on this and other major political stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.